ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తాను.
Okay, so next activity. Can you guess what activity? Yeah. Okay, I'll show the activity. So here we have completed the. So here starch test was done here. It was done, and next we are going into the carbon dioxide test. Okay, whether the plant takes carbon dioxide or not. Okay, so the experiment is to prove carbon dioxide. Plants carbon dioxide తీసుకుంటాయా? ఏం తీసుకుంటాయి? కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడా, ఆక్సిజనా, ఆర్ రెండు చెప్తారా? ఓకే, సో ప్లాంట్ టేక్స్ బోత్. ఓకే, కొంతమంది తెలియని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే తెలుసుకోండి. ఓకే, plant takes carbon dioxide during the day, and at the night what will take? Oxygen. And during early mornings also, okay, it will take oxygen like 4-5 AM or like that. Okay, మనం ఎప్పుడు లేగంలే కానీ పక్కన పెట్టేసేయండి. Okay, so to prove carbon dioxide, whether the plant takes carbon dioxide or not. Okay, this is our experiment. So as we done before, okay, here also we need to put some setup, not your setup. Okay, we need to put one setup here. So what you need to do for this? For whom we are doing? For the plants, not for us. Okay, we take oxygen. Okay, we exhale the carbon dioxide. So the day before the experiment or 2 days before the experiment, we need to select the potted plant and take a well potted plant, narrow leaves, and that should be 2 to 3 days before, and that even there should be in shade only, not in sunlight. Okay, not in sunlight. Okay, so the day before, 2-3 days before, what you wanted the experiment, right? So it should be, you know, in shade, not in the sunlight. So let's draw the diagram. So I have drawn simultaneously now. So now also, so potted plant. So I am drawing it, not exactly. Thing is, this is a potted plant. Okay, I am not so good at the diagram. Okay, this is a potted plant. Suppose, I am not saying it, suppose. Okay, so leaves. Okay, you children are so good at diagrams, right? I am so worst. Yeah, so narrow. Okay, I will draw it some more narrow. Okay, potted plant, this spot, stem, this is leaf. Okay, hope you know it. And narrow leaf. To this leaf, what you need to do next is take a wide mouthed bottle or like that. So wide mouth unna bottle తీసుకోవాలి. Okay, or flask, something like that. That flask should be filled with some solution here, like KOH. or you can even take a pellets also, no problem, whatever you take. Okay, leaf, wide mouth bottle. So we have to insert that leaf, half of the leaf, such that half of the leaf should be outside and half of the leaf should be inside. With the help of the split cork, you can fix it. Okay, then what you, after fixing this setup, you need to take it into the sunlight or where the carbon dioxide is there. Carbon dioxide or sunlight, you can simply say sunlight, or okay. So what you going to observe here after next is, here we need to take that leaf here, take out that leaf, okay, and do the starch test here. This narrow leaf and do the starch test. Do the starch test. మనం ఏం చేయాలి, ఆ లీఫ్కి ఏం చేయాలి, starch test చేయాలి, or with starch solution. So what can you guess here? So any guesses, ma? You're all bright student. Yeah, so good than me. I don't know anything. Okay, so a half leaf, the leaf, this narrow one is there inside the bottle. So this one, this is there outside the bottle. So what next? So inside one, the one inside will not absorb any carbon dioxide or any sunlight because inside. సో మనం కూడా మన ఇంట్లో ఉంటాం కదా, సన్లైట్ పడదు, అందుకే మేము తెల్లగా ఉంటాం, బయట తిరగని నల్లగా అయిపోతాం.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach, a cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
Okay, so like this, carbon dioxide, it will not absorb carbon dioxide or sunlight. So when we do the starch test for this leaf, the leaf which is there inside, okay, it will not change color, okay, it's colorless, okay, and the leaf which is there outside row, it turns. I didn't test, now we have to say that I just completed earlier, right? What happened there? Any guesses? Yes, very good. Okay, bluish black color. Okay, this proves what it proves, starch test, okay, presence of starch or presence carbon dioxide. So what we observe, so once again I will repeat this experiment, okay, leaf, potted leaf, plant with leaves should be taken before 2-3 days and it should not be in the sunlight. The next one, so we need to put our setup on which day we want to do this experiment. Leaf and put the mouth bottle with some KOH solution or pellets like that. Okay, insert the leaf, half should be outside, half should be inside. The outside one, okay, turns into bluish black color, the inside one turns into the colorless. So what we observed? So what we observe? So what we observe, observation is that one. Which one? Yeah, inside and outside one. So outside colorless, sorry, color one, inside color, inside colorless. Okay, outside it gives the bluish black, inside it's colorless. So that's observation, and inference means what we got from this experiment. Means hence carbon dioxide is necessary for the photosynthesis. So the leaf which is there outside turned into color, but inside no. So hence proved. So this question so important and so easy, it can be asked as your 4-mark answer. It can also be called another term, another one, moles half experiment. Okay, moles, okay, moles half leaf experiments, half leaf experiment. So important. You put as many stars. Chainta important ante cheppalenu. You put as many stars, star marks. So this experiment is also done. And so far we completed the stats is over. In that we have done the stats test, right? And we have, that is a carbohydrate test, whether present or not, I mean starch. And we have done the carbon dioxide also, is over. Okay, next one. Next one we'll do the for sunlight. Okay, and after that we'll be doing with the hydrilla experiment. So important questions, in a while we'll do it. Okay.